Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video I am going to share with you my price prediction regarding the DRK token, which is getting popular these days because of the new NFT game na Binimon. So, let's have a look. Ito yung kanyang recent chart. Ayan, DRK USDT. And let's see no kung ano ba yung update sa kanyang price. At the moment, the price is already at $0.017. Ayan. Okay, so yung kanyang highest price, guys, is ano, was 0.04. Ayan. And then yung lowest price niya was 0.009. So, i-set natin yung ating, i-plot natin yung ating Fibonacci. Ayan. So, from the highest to the lowest. Medyo naglalag yung kanilang system. Ayan. Okay. So, check natin. Sakto ba? Yan o, walang labis, walang kulang. Ano ba to? Okay. Ayan. Tapos sa kabila. Ayan. Okay. So, at the moment, guys, update. Kung ano na yung nangyayari. Okay, the price, guys, the candles are trying to break this major resistance, no? This is a resistance. Ayan. And once itong line na to at $0.017, $0.019 rather, pag yan guys, na break yan na price ni DRK, there is a high tendency that the price would go up to, ayan, to $0.02. Okay? And kapag ito siyang, itong price na to na break na naman ni DRK, there is a possibility that it's gonna go up again and might reach this price. No? Itong 0.029855. Ayan. And guys, once itong pinaka-strong na major resistance natin, no, kapag itong 0.618 ng Fibonacci line ay na-break ni DRK, there is itong $0.34, no? Kapag yan na-break na price, there is a high tendency that it's gonna reach up to up to this price. Hanggang $0.04. Okay? Yan yung kanyang pinakamataas na price no na pwede niyang ma-reach sooner. And guys, if this all-time high, ito kasi yung kanyang all-time high, if this price is broken, yan, kapag lumagpas na sa $0.04 yung price, tataas pa yan ng tataas. Okay, so ito yung prices na kailangan yung bantayan. $0.01, 0.02, 0.029, 0.03, and pinaka kailangan yung abangan would be $0.04. Okay, so yan lang yung update ko regarding sa DRK na token. Ah, bago lang talaga no, tumaas yung kanyang price kasi marami na ngayon yung bumibili ng DRK token, may mga nagsi-stake na. Ayan, because of the new NFT game. So marami na ngayon nagpe-prepare for the Binimon na game. So ayan, if you are interested, bukas na yung launching ng Binimon na game. So you can uh, you can you can start preparing for that game. Ayan, habang mura pa yung DRK token. So that's it guys. I hope that this video has helped you when it comes to the price, when it comes to the update of the RK. And if you have the time, please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And this is Professor T-Rex. See you again on my next videos. Bye!